Jackfruits in Thailand can grow so massive that one piece might feed an entire family. Yet their story begins with a tiny seed planted in the country's fertile soil. Here at Infinite Farming, we're taking you on a remarkable voyage through lush orchards, bustling markets, and modern processing facilities to reveal how Thai farmers transform these humble seeds into giant, mouth-watering delights. Whether you're a seasoned grower or simply curious about global agriculture, prepare to witness a captivating blend of tradition, innovation, and resilience, all culminating in one of the world's most extraordinary fruits. Jackfruit isn't just a commercial crop in Thailand, it's woven into local festivals, family livelihoods, and even religious customs. By the end of this video, you'll see why these sweet giants are considered national treasures and how Thailand has emerged as a leading hub of jackfruit production. Let's embark on this journey by exploring the fruit's cultural significance and its deep roots in Thai agriculture. Venture through the Thai countryside and you'll notice that jackfruit trees occupy a special place in local communities. Unlike many other crops, these tall, broad canopied trees often represent heritage and personal identity. Some families pass down prized jackfruit seedlings across generations, believing that a well-nurtured tree brings both prosperity and a connection to ancestral wisdom. Jackfruit also features prominently in various festivals, religious ceremonies, and community feasts. During celebratory times, entire villages may gather to share meals centered on the fruit, served raw, grilled, or even infused into sweet desserts. In bustling marketplaces, jackfruits weighing over 30 kilograms captivate onlookers with their sheer size and strong tropical fragrance. Meanwhile, innovative chefs in larger cities have begun integrating jackfruit into modern fusion dishes, reflecting a broader desire to honor tradition while embracing new culinary horizons. Beyond its gastronomic appeal, jackfruit has become a symbol of Thailand's agricultural resilience. The tree's robust nature adapts well to the country's diverse climates, from the monsoon-laden central plains to the drier regions of the north. This adaptability ensures that farmers from various backgrounds can successfully cultivate jackfruit, further cementing its status as an emblem of Thai farming identity. Though the massive fruit often steals the spotlight, the true foundation of a thriving jackfruit orchard lies in seed selection and preparation. Many Thai farmers save seeds from their most outstanding jackfruits, ensuring each new crop inherits top-tier genetic. After carefully removing any lingering pulp, farmers shade-dry the seeds to preserve their vitality. Some employ a traditional float test, discarding seeds that float while keeping the denser, more likely to sprout ones. Commercial farms may use seed germination trays equipped with advanced humidity controls or treat seeds with organic antifungal solutions. Regardless of whether they lean on modern techniques or tried-and-true methods, Thai farmers share a single goal: nurture strong seedlings that will eventually produce robust, sweet jackfruits worthy of the country's high standards. Once the seedlings have germinated, farmers carefully transplant them into fields or designated plots. They enrich the soil with compost composed of manure, decomposed leaves, and other organic matter. In flood-prone areas, farmers often elevate the soil to protect delicate roots from waterlogging. Given the tree's potential to grow quite large, adequate spacing, around 8 to 10 meters between each sapling, is crucial to prevent overcrowding. Irrigation systems vary widely, reflecting Thailand's diverse terrains. Some farmers depend on seasonal monsoons or natural canal systems, while more technologically driven operations utilize drip lines with real-time moisture sensors. Balancing these approaches, Thai agriculture seamlessly marries tradition and innovation. This stage of nurturing demands consistent attention to soil conditions, pest threats, and overall tree health. Every detail, from precise watering schedules to the earliest signs of fungal infections, can determine how quickly and successfully each sapling develops. Maintaining a jackfruit orchard is a year-round undertaking that merges generational wisdom with the modern advancements. Weeding is typically done by hand or with simple tools, ensuring that new trees don't have to compete for nutrients. Many farmers spread rice straw or coconut husks around the base of each trunk to lock in moisture and improve soil quality over time. When it comes to fertilization, some households rely on organic compost and manure, while commercial farms might conduct thorough soil analyses to identify nutrient imbalances. Pest and disease management spans both the old and the new. ranging from chili garlic sprays and natural predators to drone-based thermal imaging that pinpoints problem spots. Thailand's rainy season, in particular, can spur fungal growth, making vigilant orchard checks essential. Whether they're guided by age-old experience or modern data, farmers share one objective: to keep each tree robust enough to bear giant, flavorful jackfruits. Harvesting jackfruit is both a science and an art. These fruits can exceed 90 centimeters in length and weigh more than 30 kilograms, so farmers closely monitor growth. They tap the fruit, listening for a distinct hollow sound that suggests ripeness, and look for subtle changes in color and spine softness. Early morning is the optimal time for harvesting, as cooler temperatures help maintain freshness and reduce stress on the produce. Using sharp knives or pruning saws, farmers cut through the jackfruit's fibrous stem, while partners stand ready to lower the hefty fruit and prevent bruising. This process is the culmination of months, or even years, of meticulous care, from selecting the right seed to nurturing the tree through its growth cycle. Each harvested jackfruit tells a story of dedication, resilience, and pride. Once gathered, the fruit is packed for transport, destined for local markets, street food stalls, or processing facilities. Thailand's street markets are vibrant, bustling arenas where fresh jackfruit stands out as a star attraction. Skilled vendors slice open these massive fruits, revealing golden pods that enchant buyers with their sweet aroma. Locals often enjoy buying neatly packaged pods, while tourists can't resist snapping photos of vendors deftly navigating around the sticky latex within the rind. Jackfruit also appears in a variety of market treats, including shakes blended with condensed milk, refreshing popsicles, or even stir-fries that harness the fruit's meat-like texture. These culinary creations reflect the convivial, adaptive spirit of Thai cuisine. Markets serve as a social hub. Farmers receive direct feedback from shoppers on the quality of their produce, and visitors delight in savoring a quintessential piece of Thailand's agricultural bounty. While plenty of jackfruit is consumed fresh, surplus harvests often make their way to processing facilities. Here, the sweet bulbs are separated from the rind, then dried or vacuum fried for extended shelf life. Some factories adhere to traditional air drying techniques, relying on well-ventilated areas to gently remove moisture. Others use commercial dehydrators with precise temperature and humidity controls. Vacuum frying retains the fruit's natural sweetness while transforming it into crispy chips that have become popular both locally and abroad. Processed jackfruit is then sealed in airtight packages, preserving its tropical flavor for months. By catering to export markets, Thailand's jackfruit industry ensures that consumers worldwide can experience this unique taste. The factory process highlights the country's ability to blend age-old farming with forward-thinking technology, a cycle of innovation that keeps Thai agriculture competitive on the global stage. Thailand's jackfruit industry exemplifies a harmony between heritage and progress. Generations of families have honed their growing methods, perfecting everything from seed selection to orchard maintenance, while newer technologies, like precision irrigation and drone surveillance, enhance efficiency and quality. This interplay has helped Thailand cultivate some of the world's most impressive jackfruit yields. The question remains: how will rising automation and changing consumer tastes influence the future of Thai jackfruit? Will these century-old practices remain intact? Or will agriculture become increasingly tech-driven, reshaping how jackfruits are grown and distributed? At Infinite Farming, we believe the answer lies in finding a balance, honoring tradition while welcoming new methods. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the journey of Thailand's jackfruit, from seed to street market, let us know in the comments. Share your thoughts on which aspect amazed you most, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to Infinite Farming for more in-depth explorations of global agriculture.